to get on the best butt crack playlist, I've recorded Tony's earlier. 3, 2, look away soon. 1. Fuck. What's up? I'm Aidan Iron, your DIY self-builder. I don't have a trade, I just have a go. And on today's episode, we're doing a little bit of plumbing in the cart lodge. It is the 18th of September. The last plumbing video done quite well. I've got on the best bum crack playlist. Today's job is to sort this water pipe out. So it needs to come up here, probably go across there, up here, through the floor and through the dwarf wall. This is the dwarf wall here, and I need to lay the pipe in there because that needs plasterboard in it. Right, I need to drill a hole through the floor. That was a bit lucky. This episode is sponsored by John Guest. Only joking. And on today's materials and tools list, we have 22mm copper pipe, some flux paste with a tiny brush, 22mm pipe cutters, set of pipe benders, a blowtorch, a heat-proof mat, wire wall, 22mm solder ring pipe fittings, 22mm speedfit lay flat pipe, pipe stiffeners, 22mm pipe clips, pipe cutters, speed fittings, partridge in a pear tray, and a stopcock. And obviously me. No, I'm not saying I'm at all. This is 25mm MDPE, so I'm going to go straight up here into the stopcock, which is here. This is a compression fitting with a copper olive, and allegedly it goes straight into the MDPE, but you need a pipe stiffener. So I've got this one. They sell the plastic ones with them. Not sure whether I might need a metal one, but we'll see what happens. I might use a bit of PTFE tape around it as well. So we'll do that. This is going to go straight into 22mm copper. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go this into the stopcock there, go straight up. I'll bend that bit so it's got a sweeping radius as opposed to a 90 joint. I'll come across here. I'll probably put a straight solder there, and then this bit of pipe I'll run in and kick it to go in there. I'm just going to do this little bit in copper just because I've got copper anyway. If I need to do a little bit of bonding on the water pipes, obviously my consumer unit's going over in the corner there, so I could just, I'm not sure on the regs on the whole situation, but I suppose it'll be handy. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kick this across here, and I might as well run it up this stud. So I reckon if I'm going to clip the pipe, that'll probably be about there. These are 22mm pipe clips, but they just grabbed the 25, so you're all good. I've just wedged that in for now, but I think this will do. We'll sort it out later if we need to. Just going to pop the stiffener in there. I ain't used one of these in about 6 years. Okay. That one there. Bend! Bend! Oh, that's a bit harder than I remember. Oh, I went too far. What a plonker. Oh, that do. Know when to stop. Did anyone notice that this isn't 22mm? So I'm just gonna have to karate chop it about there, I reckon. Well, that's gonna go for about there. So I'm gonna do that bit independently and kick it. Let's see how my bending skills are this time. Okay, we're going for soldering because it's already got the solder inside. It just makes it a little tiny bit easier. I can do the other lot, but basically we'll do this size. Obviously I haven't done it in a long time though, but we'll do this, and then if I do mess up, and it leaks, then I can always put the other solder on if I need to. So I'm treating this as if you're a total beginner, which I kind of am because I haven't done it for years, but basically you get a bit of flux and you put it around. See, when you heat it up, this is going to clean it as well. So just a light coating. You don't want to get loads on there. You just want to do it where you want the solder to go. So push that one up, and push this one up. Right, now we want to heat round it until we see the solder come out. Right, I've got a feeling that this stiffener isn't going to be any good. BTFE tape. Right, we'll just do that hand tight for now because I reckon I'm going to change that one. I'm going to get a metal stiffener. It will make me feel better. So that's in, and I was just going to bolt that and I was just going to truss that joint, but I kind of want to test it, so I think I'm just going to go for it, which means I need to do this up and then clean this up and connect that pipe to that pipe using this. And in the borehole shed, take this out and connect this one into there using this, and then we can see whether the stopcock works properly and it doesn't leak, whether my solder works properly and it doesn't leak, and whether the speedfit works properly and doesn't leak. Let's go. I never know how much to do it up, but I think I'll leave it there. I can always nip it up a bit more, eh? Ooh, it's a bit awkward. Ow! I'm not a young man anymore. Yeah. Is that as far as it goes? Let's see it. No, I can't see. Oh. Oh, what's that? No. Prick. Oh, you fucking arsehole. Where's this come from? Oh, don't be a prick. Okay. I need to come out. I was going to pass out then. What's this bit? Oh, God. Right, you come out. You come back. You come out. Off. before I forget, because this is a plumbing video and I want to get on the best butt crack playlist, then if you're squeamish, you can look away in a second. I won't show you my butt crack, but I've recorded Tony's earlier when he was doing the electrics. He doesn't know about this. I will show you in 3, 2, look away, so 1. Right, we're just going to turn this off first. Shall we go slowly? Shit, that's not slow, is it? Just grab one of these. Come on. Oh, fuck. Let's get a clip on there just in case. Can you imagine if that happened when I turned the water on? Place your bets then, place your bets. The air going through. Surely that's enough. Let's go and have a look. Right, water's coming through. Still a bit of air in system. Right. We've got no leaks. No leak. There. No leak. There. Right, no leak. No leaks. Let's crank this up. Let's go full on. I just turned the tap full on downstairs and the air was still coming through, and I had a bit of a water hammer. It scared the life out of me. I thought that this had knocked over. I'm just going to empty this. We'll do another test. This is 40 litres and my pump's running at 38 litres a minute, so I can turn it on full blast. I've got about 45 seconds to run round and check everything before I start overflowing here. Stretching. Right, I'm going to watch the camera timer. Run with me. Run with me. Right, we go upstairs first. That's like 20 seconds already. Do you reckon I'm going to flood it? Fuck, fuck, fuck. This way, fuck. No leaks. Quick. No leaks, no leaks, no leaks, off. Oh my god, oh my god. Right, I'll, oh, jeez. Let me show you how much the water was full up. Can you see it? It's there, right there. So I had about half a second left. What a fucking touch. Can you believe that? I was expecting, I would have had at least one leak, at least one, but everything's fine. So that tap can't come on the Stopcock. I'm going to have to hang something on there just in case someone comes over and decides that they're going to turn it, because that won't be good, will it? Well, I'm going to pack up and I'm going to have a beer, well-deserved beer, and I reckon I'm having a steak tonight as well, celebration. I'm going to leave it there. If you haven't already, smash the like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.